Hey guys, it's Wednesday. Fucking awesome weather outside and stuff. Just kidding. It's cloudy and freezing. And yeah, I got my second motorcycle driving lesson today. And yeah, was quite fun actually. I really enjoyed it. I really did. And yeah, I think I will finish my license in a couple of weeks or something. And yeah, after that, I am going to record some motorcycle videos. Yeah, I know you like it. I know it. I knew it. Yeah. So yeah, we will see how we are going to accomplish that kind of videos, you know. It's quite complicated to record it, I think, because we haven't got any action cams or something. But maybe yeah, this little thingy will do it. It's I think, yeah, how much was it? 500 euros, around that. I got how much? 3 megapixels. There's enough space for 20 photos on it and 1 second of video, I think. Yeah, 3 megapixels. I think the video is gonna be recorded in 240p's or something. Yeah, JTAG Speedshot DC100. No product placement. No crouch advertising. So yeah, this is gonna be our equipment. Yeah, and in the next episode I will show you my motorcycle. Kawasaki Ninja 500R. Yeah. That is gonna be awesome! I know you're looking forward to see it, aren't you guys? Alright, my new show is called Jeans Hits Them Buttons, yeah. And it's there's gonna be another show. I think it's gonna be called Jeans Hit Them Trees. When I'm going to, yeah, accidentally hit a tree while motorcycling. You know? Yeah. But we all hope that this show will never come up. Or do you? Nah. You don't.